if you can do these few things, you can start to heal and start to, get your head right and that. So in the book, I call, I use the term pills. Like at the end of each chapter, I'll say pill 1, pill 2. Here's some things you can do with the kind of the intent of making yourself better. But in the prelude, I think I had 5 pills, and each one of them was with the intent of helping us grow. And this isn't just business; this is personal, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the pill 1 was about gratitude, and I just said gratitude has a way of leveling life out. It may not solve everything, but if you play the gratitude game long enough, then you will find yourself unable to remain fraught with worry and fear. So that's pure, and I'm not reading all of it. That's just the start.
Uh-huh. I love
Pill,
it though.
pill 2 is about power, and not like power in a bad way. It said you have much more power than you realize. You may think that since you are in such a low place with no sense of self-worth, that you have no power. But the truth is, when you hit rock bottom, you have all the power. You have nothing to lose. Pill 3 is about your thoughts, about your ability to change your outcome by changing your thoughts is an amazing practice. And then 4th is about meditation. And then the 5th one is about thinking. And I talk about how thinking time is different. The more we can get ourselves in the habit of thinking deeply and um, and having that different than meditating, but you could potentially do both of them at the same time. A huge difference. But to me, those 5 things, if a person can get those figured out fast, then a lot of the other dominoes start to fall into place.